Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about one of the most joyful and magical things of the year, Christmas decoration ideas, home decor ideas. Christmas is a time to fill your home with love, warmth and happiness. And what better way to do that by decorating your space beautifully. So in this video I will share you some simple, creative and friendly Christmas decoration ideas to make your home sparkle this season. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the Christmas tree, the heart of every holiday home. You can choose a big traditional tree or a small tree one, whether suit your space. Decorate it with colorful lights, shiny ornaments, ribbons and maybe a few handmade decoration too. Don't forget to add a bright star or angel on the top. It's the final touch that makes your tree glow beautifully. Next, let's move the wreath and grandlands. A wreath on your front door instantly brings a festive feel. You can make one using pine branches, berries, small ornaments and even bows. If you like dye, try making your own wreath using paper, flowers or old Christmas cards. It's fun and unique. Grandlands can be hung on mantles or windows to add that warm, cozy charm. Now let's talk about lights, because nothing says Christmas like twinkling lights. Start lights surrounding your tree, your windows or even along your walls. Warm white lights give a soft, cozy glow, while colorful lights make everything look playful and cheerful. You can also put fairy lights inside glass jars or bottles. It's a simple idea that look absolutely magic. Another beautiful idea is table decoration. You can step up a lovely decorations, candles, pineapples, flowers and ornaments. Add a touch of glow or silver for that festive sparkle. Use red, green and white sparkles on table ornaments to complete the Christmas look. Now let's not forget the living room. Add some soft Christmas cushions and blankets on your sofa. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.